Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace a razor blade of your nice looking and really good designed razor by Gillette here. It's a razor for women because it has a tiny little head, and on the other side, on the back side, there is another blade for special areas. And if you have to replace it, it's really easy. Let's have a look. There is a button on your razor on the top. This button you have to push, and then the old blade will slip out. Yeah, because there is a spring design on the Venus razor. This makes it easy to remove the razor blade. To get a new one into position, take a look at the Gillette branding and push it into position. Job's done. That's easy, isn't it? Yes, of course. It's really easy, and you can handle this too. If you have a new blade, as shown here, there will be a cover on top. But maybe if you just remove that cover, take care of your fingers or other parts of your skin that you can hurt because of this. Okay, take care. So let this cover on top while you replace the head plus the razor blades easily. You can see this is the back blade and these are the two front blades. Really cool. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Son.